To change the battery in this remote, first you will need to take out the key inside this remote. On top of the remote right there is a switch. You need to slide that switch down and then pull the key outwards. Just like that. Once the key is taken out, notice right where you took out the key from. I will be using a screwdriver, something like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver like this and make sure you are keeping the button portion at the bottom. Again, punching the screwdriver in that spot where you took out the key from. Holding position like this, I will tilt the screwdriver and there you would notice both of the corners of the remote are taken apart. We'll take out the top cover and right there is the module for the battery inside. Now to take out the battery, right there is a spot where we can punch in the screwdriver, but this screwdriver is a little big enough so I will not be able to punch in there. Instead, I'll be using something like this. We'll punch in that spot and then pull that battery outwards. Just like that. Right there, this is CR2032 type battery and this is the kind of battery that's needed for this kind of remote. My battery is good, so I will be installing it back. To install the battery, make sure the plus sign stays at the top and the module side, notice there's a position right here. There are two tabs right there. So first you will need to slide the battery downwards. Just like that, so that it's holding on to the grip right there. Once it's completely in from the bottom side, then we will give it a slight push from the top. Right there is the battery installed. You'll put the module back where it came from, making sure it's completely in and not coming out. Seems like it is completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the top cover right there. Make sure this circled portion is matching with the circled portion of the other side. We'll go ahead and put the other side on top of it, making sure all the edges are completely aligned from both sides. Seems like they are. Now we will give both sides a slight push towards each other. Once again, we'll make sure all the edges are completely in and it seems like they all are completely in. Now we will go ahead and punch in the key. And with that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.